Welcome to our channel.
Hi friends. Today's word is all about finding something new. Today's word is discover. Can you say it with me? D I S C O V E R. Discover. Meaning to find or learn something new for the first time. Here's how we use it in a sentence. We discover beautiful butterflies in the garden. Fun fact. Every day, scientists discover amazing new things about our world and space. What can you discover today? Look around your room and see if you can find something you've never noticed before. Thanks for discovering today's word. Keep learning, keep exploring. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.